Hello everyone, I'm gonna make some small review. Like you see, I have two pens, Aeternum Black Pearl. I'm gonna show those pens. Of course there is not very much unpacking, but I have two sizes here, 24 and 28. But I'm gonna show something how they're gonna look like. Yes. If you see, of course, it's very funny that you see the fork, but if you read the instruction, no metal thing, of course, in there. And yes, I'm gonna show the labels, maybe. Maybe you're gonna find something interesting. There is some instruction for use. Nothing special here. And the surface, it's not smooth, it's stony, so very smooth. The weight actually, for design, actually I like my last pen, that is the last one. That is some kind of ballerini. I like the triangular the handle, but and it's last like I don't know, 3 years. I'm so surprised it lasts so long. And the weight, maybe, let's see if it's gonna show. Let's see, gonna see something. Yeah. Let's see. The old pen is like, yeah, and new one is like almost the same. And the bigger one, what I have here, that make this side. Yeah. Two shapes are quite, size is quite standard. So yes. So surfaces, yes, there is some iron, and I'm gonna screw that as well. Let's see. Can we see something interesting? Now we can cook a little bit eggs with the pan. Yeah, non-stick surface is working very well, so I think it's actually right now it's very good. Until the eggs gonna fry in the pan, I'm gonna show a little bit in the web page. Yeah, there is like two difference, maybe what we're making. Have the rocky surface, a little bit better version. So let's see what we see here. Nothing very special, but there's layers, different layers. What you see, that's good. So something like that. So my eggs are ready. So thanks that you watched my review. Hope you liked it.